Hi friends, these are scraps that have been lying around after my previous crafting sessions or doodling. I'm sure all of you have leftovers like these from your crafts. We can reuse or recycle them to make new cards. Now, this is an embossed paper from an old card. I've made circular cutouts from it. And yes, this goes into the cutout collection. Then I have this beautiful musical noted gift wrap paper. I've torn a rectangular piece by hand, not with scissors, so that I get the toned effect on its edges. That goes in there. Here's another one from my doodling and coloring sessions. I have cut 3 triangular pieces, and yes, you can make out what this is going to turn out to be. There it goes. Then a brown paper bag. I've drawn out the reindeer, cut out the reindeer with the help of a precision sharp knife cutter. And the cards, 2 black, 2 white and 1 pastel green. Now let's see how the cutouts fall. Blue for green, brown and white for contrast, red, again a contrast. And for blacks, well, we'll go for brown on black and white on black. And for the mediums, I'm going to use glue, acrylics in different colors and gold, pigment powders, ink, and yes, glitter. So let's get started.
Have a holly jolly Christmas, it's the best time of the year. Don't know if there will be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas, da-da-da-da-da-da. Say hello to friends you know, and everyone you meet. Oh, how the mistletoe hung where you can see. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Have a holly jolly Christmas, it's the best time of the year. Don't know if there will be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. Da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da. Walking in a winter wonderland. Is the bluebird here to stay? Is the new bird? Da-da-da-da-da. Walking in a winter wonderland. In the meadow we can build a snowman. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. Da-da-da-da-da. Walking in a winter wonderland. Dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. Mm-hmm. Da-da-da, da-da. Mm-hmm. Blue Christmas without you. I'll be so blue just thinking about you. Mm-hmm. Da 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 da. Mm-hmm. Da 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 da. And when those blue snowflakes start falling, that's when those blue memories start calling. Mm-hmm. With your Christmas of white, but I'll have a blue, blue Christmas. City sidewalks, busy sidewalks, dressed in holiday style. In the air, there's a feeling of Christmas. Children laughing, people passing, meeting smile after smile, and on every street corner you'll hear silver bells, silver bells. It's Christmas time in the city. Ring-a-ling, hear them ring. Soon it will be Christmas Day. Soon it will be Christmas Day.